Hello guys, a warm welcome to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make chicken quesadillas. It's very yummy and simple. So let's quickly get it started with the recipe. Here I have a pan heating up. To that we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. To that we'll add chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. We'll saute the chicken. To that we'll add some chili powder, garlic powder and onion powder and some salt to taste, and cook the chicken over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. We'll add some chopped onions, some green bell peppers. Now if you don't like, just skip it, or you can add some more vegetables of your choice. Here we'll check the chicken if it's cooked or not. So the chicken is fully cooked. We'll keep it aside now. Here I have some tortilla. We'll spread some oil. We'll flip the tortilla and we'll spread some cheese. I have used mozzarella. You can use any cheese of your choice. We'll add the cooked chicken. Some more cheese goes in. You can add as much or as little cheese you like. We'll close the tortilla. Here I have taken a grill pan. You can take a simple pan of your choice. We'll place the quesadilla here and let it cook. We'll cook this over low heat. Gently press so that the cheese melts. Be very gentle when you're flipping it. See the beautiful color. We'll cook this until the cheese melts for about 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. It's done. See the beautiful color. Now we'll cut this in triangles and serve this with some hot sauce. Simple dinner is ready. See the melting cheese. Yum. So guys, this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.